Hey everybody, it's Megan. I hope all of you are doing well. If you guys didn't see my last video, I'll fill you in. I think you guys can tell there is a different background. I wanted it to be more cozy. I wanted it to be more inviting, while simultaneously being able to rotate within each new video different luxury pieces that I absolutely love. You can see on the very top my Louis Vuitton Cans bag and how much I adore this bag. I did get it in May of this year, 2021, while on vacation in Hawaii, Maui to be exact. I'm loving the little details, especially this little lock right here. It's so pretty. It's truly a show-stopping piece. And underneath that, I do have my newly acquired favorite in the bicolor Turtle Dove. I think what stands out most with this bag is this beautiful, luxurious, and shiny chain. It's too pretty. I really need to do a full review on this bag very, very soon. And then next to that, I have my Gucci Marmont camera bag in the white. Absolutely adore this. This is such a functional bag. Love the double GG on the back. Too cute. And then on the bottom, we have one of my favorite bags in my luxury collection, this YSL small beige Lulu with this gorgeous gold antique hardware. And then I think you guys are familiar with this bag, this Louis Vuitton Vanity PM reverse monogram canvas. So pretty. I love this Chanel-like chain. The details truly do just go on and on and on. And the last bag you guys see is this Neverfull GM monogram canvas beige interior. I showed you in my last video, that unboxing. If you guys haven't seen that video, I recommend checking it out. I love taking you along with me to see the sights of Hawaii, to go shopping. It was truly such a romantic and fun time. I also let you guys know that when I arrived in Hawaii, I went to Louis Vuitton, told the store manager that if 2 Louis Vuitton bags happened to arrive, to please notify me. I was shocked to receive a text message a few days later that both bags were received. Mind you, these are wish list bags. 2 wish list bags that have been on my wish list for over a year. One of those wish list bags is this Neverfull GM you see right behind me right here. I wanted the beige interior, although I do think that fuchsia pink is absolutely gorgeous. This bag was made in France. I knew that it was meant to be. And I'm so excited because within this video, I'm going to be unboxing the other wishlist item I was able to get. Since I've received this bag, I haven't been able to stop thinking about it. I'll give you a little bit of a hint as to what's inside. It is a monogram piece. It's not as classic as the Neverfull, but it's very hard to obtain. The other item I'm going to be unboxing with you guys today was a pre-order. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to unbox this with you. It's a new release from Louis Vuitton. It comes in this box. I gotta put this out there before I unbox. If you guys enjoy luxury as much as I do, I kindly ask that you consider joining my YouTube luxury community by simply clicking on that subscribe button you see located right down there below on your screen. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. In case some of you happen to notice the earrings that I'm wearing today, they are the Louis Vuitton Louise hoop earrings. They are supposed to come in either gold or silver. I love my Fendi hoop earrings that do feature a silver and gold hoop, and that look is exactly what inspired me to mix and match these beautiful earrings. So let the fun begin. I'm extremely excited because, as I say within each video, whenever I unbox a piece, that means I get to use it. So obviously that means I'm ecstatic to be doing this video with you guys. I will start off with the smaller Louis Vuitton item. I did mention this was a pre-order. I pre-ordered it about a month before its release. Obviously, I haven't used this, but I did have to have a little bit of a peek. And from what I saw, it far exceeded, which I can't believe, my expectations. Are you guys ready? I definitely am. It comes in this dust bag. So very amazing. Let her say hi. She's trying to. Come on, you can do it. Okay, you guys, I get a little bit into this. I'm not gonna lie. This beautiful. She is saying hi. Gorgeous mini pochette in the rose gold with monogram trimmings, Vernis leather. When I saw this piece, I was absolutely blown away. Just look at this gorgeous coated Vernis leather. It's so very pretty with this gold chain, and then the details, the monogram trimmings, so very pretty, that do extend to this little tab right here. The exterior of this piece alone just blew me away, but just look at this interior. Starting off with the interior color, could they have done a better job? I don't think so. And then moving on to the plate right here that does state where this piece is made, in this case France. How beautiful that little gold plate is. It really just adds that much more of an elegant touch to this beautiful piece. I actually own two Alma BBs in the Vernis leather, one being the champagne gold color, one being a deep rose color. And I'm happy to say I get a lot of compliments on those bags. They're definitely showpiece bags, as well as this beautiful mini pochette. The time has come. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Now I get to show you guys the other piece, my wish list item I received in Hawaii. Here is the dust bag. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm holding this bag. I love the way that it just feels within my hands right now. Uh-oh, she's getting a little bit antsy to make her appearance known to you guys, so I'll let her go ahead and do it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm having this moment. I'd like to stay in this moment, actually. Again, she has been on my wish list for over a year, meant to be, so let me go ahead and show you. She wants to peek through to make her debut. I think a lot of you guys figured it out. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Boite Chapeau Souple MM. So you guys understand, right, why I said this is a hard to get piece. I'll briefly go over this bag, but right off the bat, I have to let you guys know the canvas is extremely soft and extremely squishy. I love it. Let me go ahead and show you guys what my experience was like trying this bag on. I admit it, I'm absolutely in love with this bag, and the reason it's been on my wish list for over a year is basically due to three things: the aesthetics of the bag, the fact that this bag features the pre-aged leather, and the versatility. I admit it, I'm a huge canvas lover, and how could you not notice, aesthetically speaking, this gorgeous luggage tag, pre-aged leather with this beautiful raised LV logo. It's so very pretty and striking. It truly makes the bag stand out so much. I've had experience with pre-aged vachetta. Really, I wish that Louis Vuitton would just make all of their vachetta pre-aged. And the reason for that is when you buy a bag that has this pre-aged leather, you're basically getting a bag with a gorgeous patina that you don't have to work for. And that's what I love about the pre-aged leather. It's very slow to gain a darker patina. And I'm excited to show you guys the entrance to this bag. It is a double zip, and I just noticed it does have those little LV buttons right there. The glide, when you go to open it up, is extremely smooth. I checked that out in store, and I think you guys will find this a little bit interesting. When I was in Hawaii and I asked that manager where this bag was made, I stopped him from telling me, and I said, I think it was made in Italy. He responded with, how did you know that? Well, I just had a feeling. A lot of you guys know my dad, who passed away, was Italian, and I really feel that a lot of times he works behind the scenes in my life to make things happen. When I said Italy, he and I were both shocked, but very pleasantly shocked. As you can see, this bag is made in Italy. And Louis Vuitton did it again with this bag, you guys. I love this interior color. It is made, I want to say, microfiber material, so very soft, and it does feature a pocket right here that is very roomy. And the last thing that appealed so much to me about this bag, besides the way that it looks, besides the pre-aged leather, is the fact that it's extremely versatile. Not only can this bag be worn over the shoulder or crossbody, but I love how it can be used as a backpack. I plan on doing a more in-depth review on this bag where I'll show you guys how it can be worn as a backpack. I'm so happy to say that I unboxed this beautiful bag with you guys. Now I can officially say this gorgeous bag has been added to my collection. So that is going to be it for these Louis Vuitton unboxings. I thank you for taking the time to unbox this beautiful Boite Chapeau Souple MM with me, as well as I cannot forget this newly released beautiful mini pochette in the rose gold Vernis leather with monogram trimming. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on these gorgeous pieces, please do leave those in the comment section below. I'm sure a lot of you guys know by now I adore hearing from you and I love reading your comments. Alright, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I'm going to go over the very important message of choosing positivity over negativity. We only have one life to live, one shot at this. That is why we should be doing our very best to be living with the most positive mindset we can in order for us to be living the most fulfilled, happy life possible. The first and most important thing that we should be concentrating on when it comes to achieving peace and happiness in our lives and choosing positivity over negativity is having a very active relationship with God. And when we have His peace that surpasses all understanding instilled within our spirit, that helps us so much to choose positivity over negativity. God tells us through the Bible to focus on things that are of a good rapport. He says this for a reason. We are His children. If you think of a parent and how they love their child so very much, we can only imagine the magnitude of how much God loves us. A wonderful mindset is to go throughout the day with a very grateful spirit. The very best gifts we could ever receive are the free and countless ones God gives us. And I'm sure all of you can look back and reflect upon times in your life when you did not see a way, but yet God found a way. A great way to practice positivity and train your brain to be able to handle positivity is to always do the right thing when the wrong thing is happening. Say, for example, you're having a very hard time forgiving somebody because they hurt you so very bad. I do believe in spiritual warfare, so I guess you could say in some terms, negativity can be looked at as darkness and positivity can be looked at as God. So I guess you could say choosing positivity is choosing God. When you look at it that way, it can make it a bit easier. It can be very hard to do the right thing when the wrong thing is happening, but remember this, when you choose to do the right thing, there is always a blessing attached. We're all here with missions to complete, assignments from God. I believe very firmly that we should always be evolving to become the very best version of ourselves that we could be. When it comes to evolving your spirit, when it comes to evolving to be the very best version of yourself that you can be, I don't believe we should be in the same place when it comes to empathy, forgiveness, kindness, having a giving spirit. 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years plus down the road. When we're good people and when we have a very active relationship with God, we are pleasing Him. And truly, that is the secret to having a very positive mindset. Obviously, it's important to know the basics about what's going on within the world, but we don't need to know all of these fear-instilled things that the media presses on us. That goes right into the subconscious of the brain, leading to possibly a negative spirit. There may be times when you notice this is going to be a challenge. Do I choose negativity or positivity? Say, for example, you're working at a job, doing a very good job, and you're not getting the credit that you deserve. Or perhaps you're just going throughout your day and someone is just randomly rude to you. Those are temptations to steal your peace. It's so important to remember that your peace is yours. It belongs to you. It cannot be stolen. It cannot be taken. It truly has to freely be given away. When situations like that happen and you're very tempted to get frustrated, pass the test. And by simply thinking in a godly manner, the way God wants you to think, that is doing the right thing when the wrong thing is happening, and that is when a big blessing will be attached. Having peace of mind equals happiness. When you choose positivity over negativity, you're going to find yourself in a very good mood. And I think all of us would agree with the fact that we deserve to be in a good mood all of the time, as much as we possibly can, because we all know what it feels like to be on the opposite spectrum. When we have that negative mindset, we're definitely not happy. Practice makes perfect, so when we practice on becoming the very best versions of ourselves that we can be, having that grateful spirit throughout the day, remembering all of the wonderful things God has done for you and continues to do through gratitude, doing the right thing when the wrong thing is happening, always remembering God is on the throne, all is well, always has been, currently is, always will be, and living with the constant knowledge that God has the final say, you will find that you will be living a much more peaceful and happy life. Always choose and go towards the light, which is God. So that is what I have to say on the topic of choosing positivity over negativity. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did go over, and or any comments or questions on that beautiful, I can't believe I now own it, Boite Chapeau Souple MM, or that beautiful mini Pochette rose gold Vernis leather, please do leave those in the comment section below. I think you guys know by now, I love hearing from you. If you didn't make it to the end of this video, it's much appreciated. I'm very excited about my next. Until then, you guys take care. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.